This video outlines and explains how to use the functionality and features of the Proof of Concept digital badging system. It's part of a project funded by Skills Development Scotland and delivered in collaboration with Dynamic Skillset and Skybridge Skills. The technology stack being used is open source and combines the best of software provided by MIT's Digital Credentials Consortium on the back end and Skybridge Skills on the front end. It can be deployed per organization or as a multi-tenant system where each organization within, for example, the awards network can have their own discrete subdomain. Being open source software, both the back-end and front-end functionality can be configured. This includes the look and feel of the issuing platform, the language used, and the additional functionality and features. Note that badges are currently called achievements on the Proof of Concept platform. So, to navigate to the Proof of Concept platform, which will be live until the end of June 2026, go to test.digitalbadges.scot and log in using the details that you have been provided. All participants in the project workshops and all stakeholders who have requested an account should have one, and should also be administrators, so they should have the ability to create and issue badges and invite new members. The digital badges available to be issued on the platform are listed in the Achievement section. That's accessible by clicking on the relevant section in the navigation bar at the top right. New badges can also be created here. Badges and achievements can be put into categories. The defaults on the platform are skills and membership, but this is fully configurable. Their weight indicates what order the categories are going to be displayed. All members of the platform, including their status, e.g. admin, can be accessed by clicking on the relevant section in the navigation bar. More details about each member can be found by clicking on Member Details. Your user profile is found by clicking on the person icon at the top right of the screen and selecting Profile. This shows you the badges that are visible when other people visit your profile. Your user settings page is accessible by clicking on the person icon again and then going to Edit Settings. This allows you to change your name as well as the visibility of your email address and badges. Each of these visibility options has public, community members only, and private admins only as options. Whatever the visibility to other members of the platform and the public, all of the badges that have been issued to you are accessible from your backpack screen. Badges that have been issued and accepted will be shown as accepted. Those awaiting review or requiring further endorsement will show as under review. Badges that you have permission to issue show a blue invite button on their overview page. This page will also indicate whether that particular badge has been issued to you, as well as a list of all recipients. The badge can also be edited, shared, and deleted from this screen. Digital badges, also called Achievement in this Proof of Concept platform, can be created from the Create New button on the Achievements page. The badge image needs to be 800 pixels wide or tall and can be either in SVG or PNG format. For test badges, feel free to generate a badge using badge-studio.dynamicskillset.com. The other fields in this section are achievement name, the title that will accompany the image, and the description, an overview of what the badge is for, and the category, which we saw before, where the badge sits within the platform. The criteria field explains what the individual has to do to obtain the badge. This could be a series of bullet points, a narrative, or anything else. You may include links where appropriate. This section also includes an optional criteria URL field, which allows badge viewers and potential earners to click through to a website with more information. Claim and review settings. This section includes a set of options to allow a lot of configuration of how badges are claimed and issued via the platform. Allow badge claim has options not claimable, claimable by anyone, or claimable by holders of a specific badge. So this means that you could design a badge to, for example, only be issued rather than claimed, to be claimable by anyone, or to serve as a progression from a previous badge. The latter, for example, could involve claiming of a skill badge if they're already a member. Secondly, is a review required? The options here are no, reviewed by an admin, or reviewed by a holder of a specific badge, and you can specify how many reviews that requires. So this means, for example, you could design a badge to be claimed automatically because there's no review, always have to be reviewed by an admin first, or require a review by anyone who holds a particular badge, including the badge you're creating if you create it first and then go back and edit it. That means that people who currently have a badge can be the people who then give that badge out. They've got a vested interest in making sure that that badge stays high quality and relevant. And then thirdly, who may invite people to claim a badge? The options are only admins or holders of a specific badge. So you can design a badge to only be issued by admins, or more interestingly, allow badges to be issued by anyone who holds a particular badge, including the badge you're creating, if you create it first and then go back and edit it. The claim template, which is optional, allows individuals to write something about the badge that they're earning. This is likely to be a reflection on the experience that led to the award. So if you move the slider to enabled, you can enter text to prompt this reflection, e.g. by asking questions, and then this text will be overwritten by the badge earner. It's meant as a guide. The alignments section is also optional and allows badge creators to show alignment with various formal and informal frameworks. For example, you might want to align with level 7 of the SCQF, in which case you would put a link, target name and description, and a code if relevant. The platform has all of the functionality required for a badge system. We can develop it over time as open source software, and the idea from here, from the proof of concept, is to move into a pilot phase. That requires future funding.